5-star service at One Star Drive.
If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a reliable engine driven by an automatic transmission, there's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. This vehicle comes with a Carfax report, which reduces your buying risk by providing the vehicle's history before you purchase. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, power steering. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: passenger airbag, stability control, daytime running lights, low tire pressure warning. Call today to schedule a test drive.
Mercedes-Benz of Laguna Niguel.
5-star service at One Star Drive.
Visit us at One Star Drive or mblaguna.com.